Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone when it isn't responding to your game in Steam, or when you just can't get to have your microphone put out any volume. Now the first step that you want to take is actually by going down to the Steam application, open it up, and from here go to the top left corner where Steam appears. Now from there open up the settings, and inside the settings we scroll all the way down till we find the voice option right here. Now inside the voice option, make sure to use the voice input device that is your main microphone. So for me it's the blue snowball. Now from here start the microphone test, and as you can see my microphone is responding to my voice, so that's a very good sign. Now from there we have the voice output device. Now make sure to set this as the sound that makes when you're in game, and here we have the input volume gain. So this is my microphone. Now let's say I put it all the way down, that makes my microphone volume way lower. So make sure that if you're a very quiet microphone to put this up a lot. Now from there we go down, and here we have the voice transmission type. Now make sure to use the open microphone, or if you want to push to talk, let's say you want to hit a key and then your microphone only works push to talk, and here you see the push to talk key, and if this is set to none, it doesn't work. So that could also be an issue, but make sure to open microphone, as you can see right here. Now here we go to the voice transmission threshold. If you find any difficulties and this isn't the problem, you could turn the voice transmission threshold off, because this will transmit noises below the threshold so that there's no different sounds than your voice, and it will filter it out. But sometimes it's too heavy and it will filter out your voice as well, so turn this off. Now here we have the advanced settings. Now when you still notice any issues when these aren't the problem, scroll down and turn all these options off. So that should also don't filter out your voice, because sometimes the noise and echo cancellation picks up your voice and therefore will mess with your input volume. Now if these aren't the issue, we're going to the Windows settings. So simply open up the settings from out your search console, and here open up the sound settings, and inside the sound settings we're going to the input first. So scroll down and make sure to use the microphone of your choosing. For me it's the blue snowball. Set this as the default device. Now from here, if your microphone isn't there, simply add a device and use the function that your input device, your microphone, requires. Now from there, make sure that the volume of your microphone is turned up all the way so it puts out the maximum amount of volume. And here we're going down to the different settings, that is the input devices. Now let's say you have an error inside your microphone. You can troubleshoot it right here, the input devices, and Windows will automatically detect if there are current issues. Now as you can see, there's no jack information for me because I'm using a USB cable. Now if there's an issue, you can simply press next, and the troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem, as you can see here, but it will already detect if there are current errors. Now let's say this isn't the issue and you're still running into trouble. Now what we're going to do next is opening up the search console once more and type in device manager to the control panel. Now this will open up the control panel, and inside the control panel you have the audio inputs and outputs. Simply open up this tab and find the microphone that you're using. Now for me it's the blue snowball right here. Simply open it up by double pressing it, and here we go down to the driver details, as you can see right here. Now make sure to update the driver, because sometimes this can also fix the issue. Search automatically for driver, and as you can see there's already the best drivers available. Now, let's say you still run into an issue. There could be an underlying error which can't be recognized by Windows. All you have to do is uninstall the device right here, and from there restart your PC, and this will reinstall your microphone, and this will probably fix the issue for you. If you still run into problems, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.